This station is testing its...
This is Sheriff Lee Baca, and this is a test of the emergency alert system. This broadcast originates from the Los Angeles Emergency Operations Center, where the response to major emergencies is managed. Many broadcasters have agreed to deliver emergency alert system warnings that will help you understand what has happened and what you need to do. When you hear a real emergency alert system broadcast, you should immediately tune to a source of broadcast news for Los Angeles County. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system. Test of the emergency alert system.